Here is a Banvil Gold Line 36-inch industrial from the 1980s that I pulled out of an abandoned building. When I pulled it out, it was the blades were all bent in different ways, and it was coated in dirt and dust. Like, it was really disgusting. The top of the blades were were almost black from the dirt and from a thick layer of dirt, and the motor was also black in dirt, like all coated in, like here was like, it wasn't really white, it was like if it was gray. The canopies and and also a little bit at the bottom of the motor here, canopies down rod, both of the canopies and down rod were like pretty rusty, and the whole paint of the fan was pretty yellowed. So I cleaned it with some bathroom bleaching cleaner, and already just when I cleaned it, it was already a big step. Like the fan was much more presentable, but still it didn't solve the problem of the rust and the yellow paint. So what I did is that I repainted really nice with some white glossy spray paint. Many layers. I like disassembled it completely, took it apart to spray paint it. I sanded also a little bit before applying the paint, and now it looks perfectly white, almost like if it was brand new. Here's the sticker on the top of the motor. It says Banvil, it says made in Taiwan and Milton, Ontario. Banvil is a Canadian sound fan company. Notice how the motor is very thick. Banvil is well known for having some heavy duty industrials, especially the gold lines are insanely powerful, very thick and heavy motors. And now it's has a certain gloss to it. It looks almost brand new like this. I have it on a 3-speed wall control. I'm gonna turn it on low. Here, I'm just gonna plug it. Even with its very disgusting condition when I got it, it ran really nice and beautifully. It was an abandoned building that was abandoned since about 2006 or 2007. So basically this fan haven't run in at least 2 years. And I was really amazed. I was thinking almost like it would not run at all or something like this, because obviously the building was not heated during all that time. It just has a little hum to it, but the bearings are very good, very quiet bearings. With this wall control, it runs at about 80 RPM maybe, 80, 85, close to 90. I'm not sure of the exactly of the age of the fan, but I guess it's at least from the mid 80s, because the late 70s, early 80s ones were basically like some Evergo ones. They had generic bell canopies and they had a pointed Evergo shaped motor, I guess. So I guess this would be more like a mid to late 80s model, but someone that knows more about Banvil could tell me exactly. Notice has a pretty different shape of motor also. This has a flat shape of motor, and the line is silver, not gold, around the motor here. So I guess this could be, someone told me this could be an earlier silver line, but I don't know. It's very heavy duty, you know, very powerful, very thick motor. I don't know if you can hear, there's just a little hum to it. It doesn't really wobble barely, just a little wobble. I taped the silver line around the motor to preserve it like this, and the sticker on the top of the motor too. Here it is on medium speed. Very powerful. Yeah, that's medium, not high speed. And but at least it doesn't have too much difference between the medium and high. That's why the medium is so fast like this. It's definitely at least 200 RPMs, but I think it might be even more than 200 RPMs. 250, 230, something like this. Doesn't wobble at all. Has a pretty loud helicopter sound to it. Okay, high speed, insane speed. Looks like the fan's gonna take off in the air or something. Oh my god. Woo! You really don't want to put your finger in that. Oh my god! Thanks for watching.